Even with the best precautions, accidents happen. If you're exposed or even suspect that you've been exposed, step 1 is wash. Stop what you're doing, wash the affected skin with soap and water immediately. Flush your eyes and mouth with running water for several minutes, if, of course, that's the route you suspect the infectious fluid exposure took. Then step 2 is to report. Notify your supervisor right away. This starts what we call the post-exposure process. So step 3, seek evaluation. You'll be sent for a confidential medical evaluation at no cost to you. This includes incident documentation, source testing if permitted, baseline blood testing, counseling, and any recommended follow-up. For HIV, post-exposure prophylaxis, known as PEP, should begin ideally within 1 to 2 hours. For HBV, management depends on your vaccination or antibody status and might include HBV immunoglobulin and/or the vaccine series. For HCV, there is no proven PEP, so follow-up testing's really key. Now, treatment is available if infection occurs.